Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your activity log on your Shopify store. So once you're inside Shopify, click the settings on the lower left hand side. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on where it says users. Now, once you click on users, you will be able to find the security. And this is actually tracking users activity, what was done and all those things, right? So click on the security section and here you will find activity log. So it says monitor and review user activities. So you can see what was done and by who. So you can click on view and here you'll be able to see that current user and you'll also be able to see what was actually done. So you can see, for example, this current user, I basically the person delete a particular role or edit or create a particular role. And this is super useful if you want to track what a user does and when, right? So this is how you check your user activity log on Shopify. Very easy and very simple.